this is the quickest way to add an accent mark on Google Docs. In this example, I want to change the letter E to this acute E so it can be pronounced cafe. So let me remove this E, and then let's go to insert, go to special characters, and here you can just type the letter that you want to insert. Usually Google Docs will give you plenty of results that you could choose from, and I think it's probably a bit difficult to find the exact E that I want, which is like this. So what I'm going to do is to just use this drawing feature. Let me remove this first, and now I'm going to draw the letter in this path, in this area. So let's draw that letter, and yeah, it's going to give you much better result. So let's enter this accent mark. So I think this is the one, and there you go. Now we have successfully added an accent mark into Google Docs. I hope that helps.